Greetings, I am Captain Tsirk. In this video I am going to address the modern scientific approach to DNA, as it relates to biological functions in living organisms. So what is DNA and why is it essential for life? DNA is a nucleic acid that contains the genetic instructions used in the development and functioning of all known living organisms. The main role of DNA molecules is the long-term storage of information. It is often compared to a set of blueprints, like a recipe or a code, since it contains the instructions needed to construct other components of cells, such as proteins and other molecules. DNA consists of two long polymers of simple units called nucleotides, with backbones made of sugars and phosphate groups joined by special bonds. These two strands run in opposite directions to each other and are therefore anti-parallel. Attached to each sugar is one of four types of molecules called nucleobases, informally, bases. It is the sequence of these four nucleobases along the backbone that encodes information. This information is read using the genetic code, which specifies the sequence of the amino acids within proteins. The code is read by copying stretches of DNA into the related nucleic acid RNA in a process called transcription. Within cells, DNA is organized into long structures called chromosomes. During cell division, these chromosomes are duplicated in the process of DNA replication, providing each cell its own complete set of chromosomes. Within the chromosomes, chromatin proteins compact and organize DNA. These compact structures guide the interactions between DNA and other proteins, helping control which parts of the DNA are transcribed. The information in DNA is stored as a code made up of four chemical bases called adenine A, guanine G, cytosine C, and thymine T. Human DNA consists of about 3 billion bases, and more than 99% of those bases are the same in all people. The order, or sequence, of these bases determines the information available for building and maintaining an organism, similar to the way in which letters of the alphabet appear in a certain order to form words and sentences. DNA bases pair up with each other, A with T and C with G, to form units called base pairs. Each base is also attached to a sugar molecule and a phosphate molecule. Together, a base, sugar, and phosphate are called a nucleotide. Nucleotides are arranged in two long strands that form a spiral called a double helix. The structure of the double helix is somewhat like a ladder, with the base pairs forming the ladder's rungs and the sugar and phosphate molecules forming the vertical side pieces of the ladder. Thank you for watching part 1 of my series. This has been an overview of the modern scientific approach to DNA. In future videos I will address more complex and abstract issues regarding DNA and its role in biological functions. Please leave any comments or questions or send me information regarding DNA that you feel is relevant by posting it on my Facebook page. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.